Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Doctora La Cuachera!
I'm on my way to Zamboanga to attend our PICOM mid-year convention. So here we are, just arrived! Medyo konti lang kami ngayon. Maybe because of the calamities na hinaharap natin. May bagyo, may lindol. Hesitant nga ako sa una, kaso everything is ready na before lumindol. Kaya naman itinuloy ko na lang with full of prayers na magiging safe ang lahat. What you see is Zamboanga International Airport. Ito ang view from our window dito sa Garden Orchid Hotel. Yay! Day 3 na! Let's enjoy the moment with our friends. Then, of course, ready ourselves to suroy-suroy sa kanilang sugbo!